Hey guys, it's Elena. Welcome back. So this week I made scrunchies. So also for the record, I've been wearing scrunchies for years now, so this is not new to me. But I'm going to show you how to make a jumbo scrunchie, a medium scrunchie, and then a mini scrunchie. So here's an example of the three that I made. And like I said, you really don't need that much fabric. The light blue one is from my last video, and the darker blue ones are from my pleated skirt tutorial. So to start off, you need to pick which size you want, and then you can go ahead and cut out your fabric. I have listed down below all of the different sizes, and these are just kind of recommendations to go off of, but this will give you a good idea of what size rectangles to cut out. Cut these out with scissors, and then just to make sure that everything was nice and crisp and straight, I went in with my rotary cutter after to clean up all my edges. Once you have your piece of fabric laid out, you can put them right sides together, and you will just go ahead and stitch a straight stitch with your normal seam allowance on the ends just to connect it into one big round loop. And then what you will do is fold it in half and then fold it in kind of like a taco, and then fold the outside to match the raw edges together. So a straight stitch down until you can't really sew anymore. Pull out that inner part, tuck it back inside, fold right sides together, and then continue sewing. You're just going to keep doing that until you reach almost to the very end. Make sure that you leave about 1 or 2 inches so that you have a spot to put it right sides out and a spot to put the elastic in. So once you've gone all the way around, put it right sides out, and then as you can see, I have a little pocket opening. And so what we're going to do next is take your elastic. I'm using 1/4 inch elastic, and I measured and had my elastic be about 5 inches, but you could totally have this be whatever. I kind of went off of what fit around my wrist comfortably. So put a safety pin at the end of your elastic, and then start feeding it through your tube. Just to make sure that it doesn't get lost in there. Had happened to me before. I always like to pin it or safety pin the other end to the fabric just to make sure that it's not getting sucked in like a black hole or something. Once you've gone all the way around, pull both ends out and overlap them just a little bit, like 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. Go ahead and secure it with a pin, and then you're going to go ahead and just do a zigzag stitch back and forth to make sure that that is really nice and sturdy. Also, please excuse the nice shot of my hair. I know that's what you wanted to see. So once you've gone back and forth a couple times, clip it, and then all you have left is that tiny opening to close. So go ahead and fold in the raw edges, and then I pinned it, And then you can go ahead and just do a super, super tiny top stitch just to close it. Or if you are more patient than me, you can do a slip stitch and hand stitch it closed. Either way works. I don't think people are really going to notice that much, but I usually just top stitch and I like how it turns out. And there you have it. Voila! You have a nice scrunchie. I went ahead and made, as you saw in the beginning, a couple different sizes, and this took like no time. I was able to make like 3 or 4 scrunchies in about an hour, and I'm sure if I got more in the habit of it, I could do it even quicker than that. So this is such a fun, nice project, and honestly is so great for gifts for friends and family, and you don't even need that much fabric, so you could honestly make it out of anything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.